Today is March 3rd, the year is 2026, and they're working on the inside of the building now. How about that? Just look at it. They got it going on. They had that one in the container in the middle of them two containers. They had the door open earlier today. Oh, it might have been yesterday. Look at all the warped up plywood left and some good stuff. All right, I got to show you this sign. It's backwards. It's a no trespassing sign. And you see, when they put the fence back up, they put it up with this setting on the inside. It's funny as hell. Look, you see that? That don't make no damn sense not fixing it. That's the kind of crap we got right here. We got people that come in here and knowing they need to fix stuff and they don't fix it proper. There's a proper way of doing things. And this ain't been one of the proper ways of doing nothing from the beginning. Yeah, I'm complaining. I have a right to complain about Burger King. And I got rights to complain about other things. Look. When they get on it, they need to get on it hard and get it done. There's one of them signs. This is facing the right way. Now, I thought I seen some ductwork up in there, but I can't see it now. They had some sawhorses set up. They got electric setting up. Look, you gotta see this. Somebody put a trail cam out here. So that's a trail cam. And would you think that'd be something the police would do? Or who would do it? There's where the don't walk sign is. And they knowing everybody that walks up there to it. Because they don't want nobody to jump the gate. Would you look at that? That's a trail camera. How long do you think it'll be before it'll be a flock camera? You see that? A trail camera on the walking trail. Way before you get to the signs that say don't go past. So they can tell everybody that went past. I went to the sign. You gotta be living in a different kind of world to get a kick out of that. Let me say this about this trail camera. That trail camera in Houston, Texas wouldn't last 10 seconds. They done took that sumbitch down. Look, it ain't nothing but a strap holding it. Just unstrap it, go on about your business. Ain't that some crap? Look at it. Damn. Well, this is as close as I can get. Let me zoom in and see what you think about it. See the city of Ozark, whatever it says. Ain't that pretty? Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Now there's the other side. And they probably got the city of Ozark on the other side. They ain't got all the iron railing because that looks like wood right there. All right. I want to show you over there where them new apartments are in that old house. 100-year-old house right there. And now they gonna put another business in, and they got a backhoe breaking rock. Look at that. You want to find some big rock? You did. Now your ass has got to break it all up. There's a lot of rock around here, people. Brad Pistow, you gotta love it. He'll help you make money. Y'all give him a call and tell him Buddy Huggins sent you. Y'all give Brad Pistow a call and tell him Buddy Huggins said you can make them some money. And then tell him Buddy Huggins sent us.